Can't stop mode, got force from page vote, no post. Chat too much, go clip on load. That's that Kodak energy, 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 energy. Yeah.
Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vitoko Maleka and I welcome you to a new vlog. For those of you who are new here, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for subscribing and joining this beautiful family. And to my returning subbies, oh guys, but welcome to a new vlog. But before we get into it, cheers to you guys. Cheers to you. I see the channel ya hola guys. We are 600 and something. 600 and something. Guys, and it's all because of you. Like support like I appreciate. I really appreciate it, guys. Even on my previous 2 vlogs, yo, the comment is all in like guys, stay touch. Like ever since getting into this fitness, not fitness, but healthy journey, yo, weight loss journey, yo, hi guys, shame. I wanna get motivation in like all my life is I'm gonna lose a weight. Hopala, like this is what I needed. I needed you guys, like from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, I'm just having coffee and I want to show you my new blender. I got a blender. I think I ordered it since I'm making my slimming wires, but I never got the chance to use it because the other blender in the house. So we had a blender in the house, an old blender. So the pouring part, the tap, so no pompo to pour your smoothies. Instead pick up the whole jug, the whole thing, and then so Dineo got a new blender, but then Leona, it wasn't strong, so sometimes I gira my smoothies kadi icy or kadi like frozen fruits. Like the power is enough, so it broke. Every time I had create like pieces of plastic in our smoothies. So I want this thing is dangerous. So it very large. And then Rabella back to that old one. Ace nang tap. We would use that. So has no kiraka a juicer. I was like, no, I also need to get a new blender. Like, why not? I want Ibleya Kenwood so that it matches Leona the juicer. Of which I did. So we got a new blender. I wanna show it to you, but I don't think I'm gonna use it now. Already makes it like your ready smoothies. Yeah, already regularly smoothie prepared and yeah, so I'm gonna finish those first, then the blender I'll use it afterwards. So I just want to show the blender to you guys. I already opened it because it was so heavy. Because of box and Ninkimela, guys. I bought it from Besh. At home via Besh. So when I collected it, nearly so heavy, I was like, there's no way I can make a blender. Moki really order a wrong. And guys, I did get the wrong order. But to my advantage, you know how graduates are wrong, you always return them. But then we'll grab something better. How about you say it? So that's the case here. So I got a I got this blender. Well, this is not the blender that I ordered, ne? I ordered a normal, I think I'll insert a picture somewhere. Like your normal blender, normal. Yeah, 1 point, I think nearly more special name, like I crack a 930. The blender that I ordered, I paid 930. But this was delivered. Okay, not delivered, but I picked this up. It had my name on it, like, yeah, guys. But we say, thank you, we talk Otwara. Ne? And the price was 2,999. I bought my blend, or the blend that I ordered was 930. I paid 930. But instead, I got this 2,999 rand blender. 3,000, guys. At home, but we talk Otwara. So I took it as my early birthday gift from at home. So the one that I ordered, guys, it was just a jug. So this one, it's like 2 bottles. Yeah, 2 bottles. And the jug. And guys. Like there's a lot going on. This is the lid of the jug. So yeah, I did not see the like I only opened the box and I realized blender is wrong. And then I closed it up. Because next time I email and I must return it. Orange. So this is the blender itself, the machine. So in a lot of buttons, a lot of yay guys, soup, sauce, vegetables, crusher, smart. I get this smart king. I hope smart as a juicer cause we still juice. So hey banda. Hey. So this is the bottle. How many? 500 mils. Another one. Like 500 mils. And the jug. Oh guys, bona it's nice. It's nice. It heat and blend, or blend and heat. High power blender, 1.5 watts. Guys, 1.5 watts. Oh, as Jack, the goblet. And then this one, it crusher ice, so I won't have to worry. It's a big jug, guys. 2,000 mils. Like that's 2 liters. Yeah. Thank you at home. Thank you. Or best name on I'm always ordering ko best in or taking Twara. Yeah guys, here's the blender. It's nice. Then this is the lid to the bottle. On the go. But 500 in Gaga on the go. But yeah, guys, I don't know what this is. food presser. Food press. I don't know why are we pressing. Yeah. Open this. Food presser. Okay. I could clog this thing. I could clog. I get it for any, and I doubt I will use it. So yeah, guys, here's the new blender from Besh. I can wood, and I paid only 930. I only paid 930 for this gorgeous girl. Huh? Yeah, Marlon, get cool. Cool. So yeah, guys, this was me opening a new vlog. So I'll see you later on. Today wanna get a lazy day. I won't be doing anything. I won't be getting outside the house. It's me and TV. I wanted to watch Straw, but hey guys, the review Salina. You know, so I doubt I'm gonna watch it. I'll see what to watch. But today can na le sofa le TV. Bye. Guys, so I'm gonna blender it. It was at home saying, congrats on your weight loss. Yeah, and cheers to that. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to another day. Today is a Friday. Happy Friday to you. I'm here because I want to unbox this with you. I ordered things from DLL plugs. They sell kitchenware, like your glasses, your trays, your fridge organizers, you know, those type of things. That's what they sell. So I ordered man. So I want to open it with you guys. And you know what I like about them, guys? This order when was it? On today's Friday, ne? I made the order on Wednesday night. Wednesday night. I made the order Thursday morning around 3 a.m. Ke tla be a screenshot for the one so order and then it was delivered around 3-4 in the afternoon. In a way, it's like same day you get. So that's what I really appreciate. So yeah, man. It's a small business. The girl Epeladi. The girl Arixam Epeladi. Oh wow. Oh, I also forgot that. Okay. I got this coasters. Get it bamboo coasters. They are called coasters, yeah. Glass coasters, like your table glass coasters. Yeah, there are 6 inside. They are bamboo. So 2 for 6. Nice. And then I got four of these glasses. And they 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Huh? What's this now? Okay, I don't know. Let's see. Oh, this basically the lucky, not the bad, the lucky. So extra things I can order online, guys. So if you look around, play something extra, come on. I don't know. So my mom is busy here in the kitchen, and Nyuku is also watching TV. So play like no recorder in the kitchen. It would have been easier, but that's okay. Oh, they're so cute, guys. I got these glasses, 300 mils. I got glasses. Why we can like cook? They are so cute, and I know they also have not Pep but Jet Home. They also got these glasses called Jet Home for 30 rand. I also got them for 30 rand from Peladi DLL plugs. I got 4 of this, but I think I'm going to open them because finally something extra. There's something extra because I know I ordered only 4, but then no finally keep it out unless I'm peeling one man. Hey? Okay, that's the same class. Well, let's take this off. Yeah, no, this one is. Oh no! Now I remember. Okay. Oh, yeah, no. So I got this. Here I was thinking we could something mal. Yo. So I got this smoothie jar or glass jar. Drinking glass with straw for my smoothies. Yeah, I got this. I forgot. Okay, no, not for kilobits. Thing is, he wanted this box, and then I thought it's on. Forgetting what can I say? The smoothie bottles, the smoothie glasses. I got 3, extra 1 for dinner. So yeah, man. I'm a beautiful girl. Oh, you go.
I've been looking for where these things have been sold. All over my Pinterest, I've been looking for these cups actually. Cup holder. Or is it cup?
Yeah, let's coasters. So
These things are for smoothies.
So I got this designer ones. Tina Lady Gum Gum.
Donut shaped.
It's donut shaped.
Like
okay, I got this donut shaped. Let me see. I know it. Okay, we'll just call them donut. We'll just say they are donut shaped. Glasses for the straw. Where's the straw? Where is the straw?
Is that a straw?
I think so. So I actually got 2 of this donut ones, ne? One for me and one for Dineo.
But what is this one also yours? So you got 2, she got 1.
Yeah, I got her one.
Yeah. 1? So that means these 2 are for you.
These 2 are for me. This one is for Dineo.
Where's the straw for both of them?
I don't know. I'm still gonna check.
Because of you.
So here are the donut ones. But you want to do straw. And oh, here are the straws. Like it's a get straw for this straw. And here are the straws.
Ow, don't break the glass.
This These are cute, man. These are cute.
Me, I like this one more actually because
This one?
yeah, I like that one more. But I like the shape of this one because it looks cutesy because of your.
No, Dino said she wanted this designer ones.
Designer.
Like it's designed.
Oh, I thought you were saying they were like a designer brand.
Oh, this designed ones. So yeah, guys. Hey people, can go do a smoothie right now. I got this for 55 rand, ne? These were 55 rand each, ne? And then these glasses were 30 rand. And these coasters were 70 rand for 6. Yeah. So thank you guys. This is the same glasses. I got 4 of this. So yeah, bye guys. I'll talk to you later. Mwah.
Telling a lie. It's been a long day for sure. How could I resist your smile? Can we move on as before? I could wait for 1,000 years, but it won't do us any good. Will you bet if you get the chance? Surely would. When you're away, there's a hole in my heart. Feels like a deja vu. So come back soon, you are my missing part. I know that you'll be you, 'cause you're my sweetheart. You're my sweetheart. When you're around, I feel the spark takes me higher, sweetheart. Let me be close to you forever, ever, darling. You're my sweetheart. You're my sweetheart.
Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm With you, everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
Can we stay here forever?
I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here?
Hi guys, yes, I know I look crusty, but can you please discuss Pilates services? Can you please discuss this lady's services? Guys, I am so happy. Wait, I placed this order last night again, and today, you know, come on, 18 minutes past 19 minutes past 4. Like our guys. Yo, what's Luna? Can we discuss this lady's services? Yeah, also like our alone. I placed this order last night. Today, 20 past 4. Delivery Ash. My things are here. Huh? So I topped up on those classes that I got the last time. I got 4 more. So there are 8 now. Oh, I also got this for Nico. Nico loves my cup so much. I don't know what they are high. Strosikai. Straw. Pilari, don't disappoint me. Don't disappoint me with my sweetie. Ooh, here's the straw. And I also got this. Oh, how lovely is this? I'm going to put my jewelry here. Let's go to my bedroom. Yeah, guys, you see how I was putting my jewelry in this thing? Now I've got this big thing. Another day, another 6 21.
I found love, for real love. Let this be the real thing. Tell me now, what's on your mind? Whisper soft to me that you want me. There's magic in your fingertips, it's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you, kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now, I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing, it's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. Take your time, I'm on a high, high. My body yearns for you to touch me. No, there's magic in your fingertips, it's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you, kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now, I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing, it's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling.
Hi guys, it's currently 11:30 and I've just decided that I'm going to plait my hair. Guys, I already braids, but the only thing that was standing between me and getting those braids was my hairline. But then no, I'm like, you know what? Hairline is strong. Hairline is strong. I was just putting on some sunscreen. Guys, get a crusty and looking so dull. So I'm going to get my hair braided. Head sleeping. Patong Luna. I just received a call. There's a delivery for me. I feel like I vlog 8 all about deliveries, unboxings. I'm coming. Hi guys, I am back from doing my hair and I look so cute. But home order has been restored. All crusty, you know. Oh, I decided to do goddess braids. Yeah, but I'm still not sure if there was a good decision or what, because the girl said sure by the end of this week they would delay. But for now I look good, I feel good. So yeah guys, I'm just here to show you my new hair and also close off this vlog, and yeah, and to also remind you to not forget to subscribe guys. Subscribe, comment, like, share. We're on the road to 2,000 subscribers. Yeah guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.